Hello and welcome to All About Lifestyle. This is Shraddha. Those who are new to my channel, and if you like watching DIY videos and home decoration videos, then please subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. And namaste to my YouTube family. So today's video is a part 1 of staircase decoration video where I'll be showing how to make paper flower for the wall. Actually, paper flowers, they have so many benefits. They will never wilt, they will never die, and you can use them as backdrops for weddings or for photography. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. This is an orange color cardstock paper used for making paper flowers. You can even use thick chart sheet paper. Now cut the paper into small cuttings. Like I have cut them into 3 into 4.5 centimeters. You should have at least 10 paper cuttings, and the number of cuttings also depends on how thick is the flower. Now to make the petals, you can simply cut the rectangle cuttings into any shape like oval or round, but I am making rose flower, so I have cut the paper into somewhat like oval shape. Now for small petals, cut the paper into 3 into 3.5 centimeter. Now repeat the same process for making the petals, and you'll get small and big petals. Now to form a rose petal, use pencil for giving a folded shape, and simply do this process the way I have done. Just fold it and leave it. Now cut the center portion of the petal to give a 3D look. And now using a stapler, just pin up the one side on top of the other side. Repeat the process for all the petals to get a 3D look. Now for the base, cut a circle of any diameter so that all the petals get stuck over it. Now using Fevicol, simply adhere the petals on the circle. Once the first layer of petal gets stuck properly, next stick the small petals inside the bigger petals using Fevicol, and this will give a 3D look to the flower. Now for making the center portion of the flower, take a strip of same paper and fold it . And then make small vertical cuttings with the help of scissor. And yeah, the length of this strip depends on how thick your center portion is going to be, or it will be like smaller or bigger. And after cutting, you will get so many frills, and this will enhance the beauty of flower. Now simply fold the strip round and round and secure it with Fevicol. and then spread the cutting so that it looks like a flower. Now just fix this small flower inside the bigger flower. And you'll get your flower ready. So I've made 3 orange flowers. Now in the same way, I have made big size golden flowers using golden cardstock paper. This flower turned out my favorite flower. Hope you liked the video, and part 2 will be up soon, so stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. We'll see you in my next video.